She's a spinning wheel of light, a shimmering sight of what's to come. She'll make you believe, she'll make you feel alright, just like a setting sun, like it used to be. She watches over me from state to city line. It runs within me deep, footsteps on every street, a place that I call mine. My voice, my strength, our hearts beat the same. Our city by the lake, our season of change, rise from the interstate. Our city by the lake, our city by the lake. She's still stirring in the night, beautiful from every side. The wind calmly breathes and shakes, breathes and shakes, breathes and shakes, breathes and shakes, breathes and shakes. Like it used to be, she watches over me from state to city line. It runs within me deep, footsteps on every street, a place that I call mine. My voice, my strength, our hearts beat the same. Our city by the lake, our season of change, rise from the interstate. Our city by the lake, our city by the lake, our city by the lake. My voice, my strength, our hearts beat the same. Our city by the lake, our city by the lake, and our season